Make every interaction feel more personal with regional dialect support in Applaud. Let's show you how. As well as supporting 40 languages, you can also add regional dialects to improve accessibility. In Settings, scroll down to the Languages section. In our example, our installed languages are English, French, and Portuguese. This means that when we activate the Regional Dialects feature, we'll then have access to any regional dialects of these core languages. Check the box for Add a regional dialect for the installed language, and select any relevant regional variations for your use case. Select Update to save your changes. When setting language preferences, users now have access to your chosen regional dialects too. In this example, we're looking at Brazilian Portuguese for an employee, Demi Robinson. You've got this! For more information, head to support.applaudsolutions.com.